Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make coated peanuts. Guys, this peanut was so delicious. If you want to know how I came up with this snack, continue watching as I share with you guys how I made this delicious coated peanuts. So here I have raw groundnuts. This is 2 cups of raw groundnuts. So make sure you pick out the unwanted ones, the broken ones and the spoiled ones. I've already done that, so this is okay. Alright, so make sure you remove the unwanted ones and the broken ones. We don't need them. So I have here 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons powdered milk flavor, this is liquid vanilla flavor, and here I have nutmeg seed. I'll be grating it. Here is flour. I've already sifted the flour, so make sure you sift your flour. Here is the eggs I'll be using. So this is vegetable oil for frying. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to pour in the peanuts or groundnut into a bowl. Then add hot water to the groundnut. Add enough salt to taste. Stir. I'll be leaving this for like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you pour it into a sieve to drain water. We want a tasty peanut. So after that, you're going to be spreading this in a tray like this. You can use a larger tray. So use a larger tray or something that is handy to spread your groundnuts or peanuts, and we'll be sunning this. We're going to sun dry this. So the next thing we'll be doing is to pour in the 2 tablespoons of powdered milk flavor and half teaspoon of grated nutmeg into the flour. This is 2 cups of flour. That's what we need for the measurements of the groundnuts we have, which is 2 cups. So you stir everything together. The next step is to break in the eggs into a bowl. We'll be using 2 medium eggs. Add the sugar, little salt, one cup of vanilla flavor, liquid flavor, and we're mixing everything together. So this is the peanuts. We've sun-dried it, as you guys can see. So I've transferred the groundnut into a bowl, and I'm adding the egg mixture into the peanuts or groundnuts. And I'm stirring it. Make sure you stir very well. And I'm adding the flour into the groundnuts. So this is the coating process. So after adding the flour and milk, make sure you mix it this way. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So this is the first coating. So after that, you pour it into a sieve to get rid of the flour. So you're left with the first coated peanuts. So I'm doing the second coating. You add your flour, repeat the same process like the first. You're going to do this for about 4 times, so some might stick together. Just take your time and separate them. Few, all right, not all might stick together. Take your time and separate them and continue mixing this way. And like I said, repeat the coating process like 4 times till you exhaust your egg and your flour. So this is the final coating. This is like 4 times coating. Hope you guys are seeing it. You're going to coat it for like 4 times, remember? So this is it. So after that, you add it into a hot oil and fry. Make sure your oil is hot. So you keep frying, stir frying, at intervals. Make sure as you fry, you stir to avoid getting burnt. Guys, you're going to love this peanut. It was so delicious. It was soft and crunchy. It's a kind of peanut you always love making. Please make sure you share this video with your friends and family because they're going to love this peanut recipe. So it's browning, as you guys can see. So this is it. It's done. Guys, isn't this yummy? Transfer to drain excess oil. Transfer into a sieve or paper towel to drain excess oil. And leave to cool completely and store in an airtight container. Guys, isn't this looking yummy? It tasted good. It was soft and crunchy. Children can also enjoy this because it was so soft and crunchy. Guys, isn't this yummy? Make sure you try this out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.